welcome to Albatross. With this boat, we're going to discover the volcanic complex of Santorini, having three stops. The first one will take place in a few minutes from now at the most recent volcanic formation in the eastern Mediterranean Sea that was formed just 450 years ago. It's important to have with you, all along the way, a bottle of water, and please wear your sports shoes, your sneakers, your sunscreen, your hats, sunglasses, because the temperature can be really intense during the hike. Therefore, I need you to be all set in order to complete the hike successfully. There are no shops on the volcano, so if you want to buy water, please buy it from our bar here in the second deck of Albatross boat. You can find always bottles of water, coffees, beers, snacks, refreshments, alcoholic drinks, non-alcoholic drinks, and slushies. About the first stop, I would like to give you some instructions. First of all, I would like to remind you that in order to have access to the natural park of the volcano, a €5 per person entrance fee is needed. About the hike, it's gonna take about 30 minutes to reach the top with the normal pace, 30 minutes to go back down to the port. About the hike again, if the people who are experiencing any severe health issues like heart problems, asthma, allergies, severe knee injuries, or severe mobility issues, in that case, you are kindly requested to remain on board and do not attempt to come up on the volcano, and you can relax here by having something from our bar.
rugged volcanic trail is not easy, but
lots of hiking.
it's lots of hiking, but it's good.
Rose would like it.
Yep.
The next stop, we're going to have 30 minutes on our disposal to explore the beauty of the hot springs. You can swim over there.
made it. I made it to the end. Check it out.
Where's Danny?
We're going to remain for a couple of hours in the island of Thirassia, the rocky island, the second largest one in this particular volcanic complex.